Hello guys, let's talk today about this Sony Lapel mic. I've been using for a while and I like it. It's a stereo mic. As you can see, there's a capsule here and another one here. And this can clip to your shirt. And it works pretty good. Okay, the cable is not that long, as you can see here. It's a short cable, but just enough to clip to your shirt and to have connected to your wireless transmitter or something that you're using to transmit to the recorder. Okay, so right now I'm using a boom microphone here from Rode to record this video, and then I'm going to change to this camera. As you can see, I have the camera here that's recording this microphone. So I have it here, and there's an input for microphones here. Okay, so I'm going to connect this microphone here so we can test it. So let me just connect it here. First thing that I want to do here is connect to this input here for microphones. And here we go, it's connected now. And then we are going to listen now the recording for this microphone. Let me just put it here on my shirt. So I stick in there on my shirt. Here we go. It's still talking to the boom mic, and now I'm going to silence the boom mic. Okay, now you're listening to the lapel mic. As you can see, the sound is pretty good. I've been using this for years and it works fine. Okay, it's affordable, it's good, the quality is very good. It's a stereo microphone and you can listen by yourself and decide if it's good enough. But in my opinion, it's very, very good. Okay, so I'll just remove the microphone from the camera again. So now you're not going to listen to the microphone, to the lapel microphone, or to the boom microphone. You're going to listen to the camera's microphone. Okay, so this camera has a built-in mic, and you're going to listen the sound, and then you can compare to the lapel microphone, because you're talking right now about a comparison between the camera's mic and the lapel mic. Let's say you just have the camera's mic here to work with, and then you need a better quality. You can use a simple lapel mic like this one. Okay, so let's compare camera against lapel mic. So here we go. Just remove it from here. And now you're listening to the camera's mic. Okay, so you can compare the difference to the microphone, to the lapel microphone. That's the camera's mic. Okay, which it's not that good because the camera is designed to record video and take pictures and do a lot of stuff, and it's not that good with sound quality. Okay, so a lapel mic can help a lot to improve the video quality, and that's the idea. Okay, I'm just come back here again one more time, and I'm going to insert again the lapel mic. Okay, here we go. Again, talking to the lapel mic. As you can see, the difference is pretty good and pretty significant, so you can understand that using a lapel mic can help you improve the quality of your videos. Okay,